Computer parts. The information we were given in the computer parts problem was this information. The fact that they make mice, keyboard, and joysticks, that there is a resource constriction on labor usage, machine time, and the monthly demand, which is a new twist for the mice, keyboard, and joysticks, is 15,000, 25,000, 11,000 respectively. Now, we're given in the writing of the case that there is a total capacity for labor usage of 13,000 hours and machine time of 3,000 hours. I put it over here so they would be on the same row as those items when the time came. The way the demand works is basically there's no point in your plant making a product that it can't sell. So the monthly demand serves as an upper limit on the production for each item. So I had to figure out my decisions. My decisions was how much to produce of mice, keyboard, and joysticks, and I laid it out this way. So again, they would show up in the same columns for mice, keyboard, and joysticks. And I needed a couple of things I needed to compute. I needed to compute my my usage. So I used a sum product between my decisions and the labor usage for each of those products, and I needed to figure out the machine time. And I did a sum product between the production and the machine time for each of those products. And I put them here so it would make it easier when it came time to use Solver. Finally, I had to figure out my profit, which was a sum product between my decisions and the unit profit for each item. Now, in Solver, you need to make certain that your production is not fractional, so each of your decisions needs to be an integer, and it's not negative. So each of your decisions needs to be greater than or equal to 0. Furthermore, you're going to check that your production is less than or equal to your demand for each object for mice, keyboard, and joysticks. And finally, you need to make certain that your usage is less than or equal to your capacity for labor and for machine time. And of course, your goal is profit and you're trying to maximize it.